Good evening, panel.
Good evening. Thank you. Take a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, Divesh, what is the meaning of your name?
So basically, the meaning of my name is the Lord of the God, and in the other reference, you can also say that Lord of the Sun.
Lord of the Sun.
Sun.
What is the meaning of Lord of the Sun?
So sun is basically sunlight, and
Okay, Sun means
yeah,
okay,
sunlight.
that Sun. Lord of Sun. I thought Sun is Lord. Okay, so just brief about yourself.
So I'm Divesh Kumar, recently qualified cost management accountant. I was born in Bihar, a state known for its rich culture, and brought up in the vibrant city of Jaipur. And apart from this, my hobbies are playing volleyball. I'm very keen in playing volleyball, as I'm also a district player, and I represent Bharatpur district in volleyball. And apart from all these, if we talk about my interpersonal skill, then I'm very good listener, and I'm very adaptable to the environment easily. I can adapt environment very easily.
Okay. So, a brief about articleship.
So actually, for my first articleship experience was with Akshay Sen Limited, where where I was as appointed as a finance trainee, semi finance trainee. Over my work was basically related to creation of purchase order, sales invoice, capitalization of asset, not exactly capitalization, but assisted in capitalization and creation of asset, and the invoice booking, and apart from this, aligning of budget and many more things.
Okay. So, what is the main work of Aksh Optifiber?
Sir, Akshay Fiber is a giant listed company. Basically, it's deal in FRP rods. It is a largest manufacturer of FRP rods and ERP rods that we used in the cable.
Okay. So, it is being used in the cables.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what do you think? What is the future of Aksh Optifiber?
So as per the financials, it is very sound company, and as per the product in which Akshay is dealing, as opti fiber is needed in everywhere, and as Rajasthan is working as a working on a smart city project, so the main tender of smart city development is with Akshay Fiber Limited.
Okay. So, don't you think we are more going towards wireless than wired?
So we are going with wireless, but there is a loophole in wireless, because the main thing of is of a frequency. If any frequency is disturbed, then the might be connection will be interrupted. But in the cable thing, it is not possible. And we are going wireless in small things, not in large things.
Okay. You have also done booking of invoice with and without
Purchase order.
PO. Yeah. So when PO was issued and when not?
So basically, when as what I have done in my organization, I'll tell you what on that reference. If any small item, if you have to purchase from any vendor, then we generally do not generate a purchase order. But when any large item or any vendor which is giving supplying us material on the continuous basis, then for that we generate a purchase order. Purchase order is basically a statement where we put our requirements to the vendor.
Okay. So you have also booked the invoices. So as per GST, what are the main contents required in an invoice?
What are the features of invoice?
Yeah.
So basically, for in any invoice, GST number is mandatory. Mandatory, you have to put it over there. You have to put bank detail over there, and serial number is must. That is invoice number. Reference number is very must on that. And vendor name is appropriate and suitable. It is visible, and the classification of GST over the CGST, SGST, or ITGST on any references, you have to classify that.
Okay.
You
Thank you.
cannot give any data on the consolidated basis.
Out of so many achievements mentioned, which is that one that you are completely proud of? And explain it to us. How did you get it and everything? Out of all the achievements mentioned. If you want, you can take a look at your CV and then tell us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, I would like to tell you about the app that I have made, PlayConnect.in. It is a startup that I have launched in 2019, and have worked from 2019 to 2023 till 23, and it's still going on. It is the app basically which connect all the sports persons, and if any player wants to if any player wants to play, then there's requirement of ground, but everyone is not aware about the futsal and football. If you want to play football, then on rough ground you cannot play. There is a requirement of futsal grounds. So in this app, I have submerge all the grounds nearby, and I have connected with the sports persons, and all nutrition person, and many more things is in this app. And for this app, I have also got awarded from Sachin Tendulkar, and I have for the in the reference of this app, I have also met with the many eminent personalities like Vijay Shekhar, founder of Paytm, and regarding the fundraising, and over there I've got the best team work award and best idea award from Thai Young Rajasthan regional competition of entrepreneurship.
You can be our competitor. We shouldn't be afraid of giving you the chance in our company. What if you tomorrow come out as our competitor? What would we do then?
Competition is everywhere in every field. Apart from thinking of competition, we have to think that what improvement we can do. So rather than focusing on competition, we have to see the venues that are present.
You're not in future you're not planning for opening your business, being an entrepreneur, the trend that is going on, investing in your own money and then coming out as a small entrepreneur or into a startup idea then?
Ma'am, as it is actually I'm very interested in entrepreneurship. So it is actually right now I'm going with the as a personal thing, but I'm not focusing this on the long term. But that will not going to hamper your work as an organization work.
We do not need promises for future any which way. So
Divesh, what are the advantages of the raising debt over the equity?
So the main factor we can consider in raising fund from debt is that there is a saving of tax benefit is there on the debt component, but on equity, if we'll raise fund from equity, then the saving of tax is not be present over there.
Okay. Divesh, your work experience in Rajesh and company about expense management and data aging. So what type of work have been done?
Sir, in data aging, basically, we have classified our data on the basis of tenure that they have given us. Tenure is not fixed because it varies from day to data, but the basic tenure is 30, 60 or 90 days. If basically if they do not pay the payment to us, then we try to bifurcate the data on the various tenure basis, and we try to find out that what are the reasons for which that they have not given the payment, and we try to report to the our management.
Okay.
And second thing that you have asked, sir?
Expense management.
Expense management, in which we try to find out the different variances that why it is rising.
What type of variances?
So it is exactly, it is not particularly same, but it depends upon the company to company. For example, in our firm, there are many expenses related to our vendors that arises, many expenses. So we try to find out that what we have estimated and what is occurred, what are the reasons for that.
Okay. Devesh, why we calculate turnover ratios and name about 5 turnover ratios?
So turnover ratios, sorry sir, right now I'm not able to gather this thing in my thoughts, but as you have asked about what are the why we calculate,
Name of them.
Yeah, the 5 name that asset turnover ratios and inventory turnover ratio, working capital turnover ratio, and so I'm not able to remember.
Okay.
So Devesh, you have worked in GST return filing. So I want to ask you one question, that what is the difference between zero rated supply and exempted supply?
zero rated supply and exempted supply.
Yeah.
On zero rated supply,
Okay, no
Sorry,
issue. Okay. So I want to give a hypothetical situation that you are reviewing a company's health. Just like we can review our health, so you are reviewing the company's health and you have three statements: cash flow, balance sheet, and income statement. And you have option only to choose one and then give your opinion. So what statement you will choose and why? You can choose only one. Which statement?
as three statements are, all three statements are important, but if you have given the option to choose one, then I'll go with the cash flow.
Okay.
Because it tell the position of a it tell the what are the cash that are coming to an organizations from all the activities, rather it is operating from or financing or investing. So as a balance sheet and the second thing, that P&L account that you have told about, so they are the over if I'll see that, then I'll not able to bifurcate or try to find out the deviations. But if I'll see the cash flows, then I can easily find out, because over there everything is segregated into three parts. So I'll choose cash flow statement.
Okay. And what is a zero-based budgeting?
Sorry, ma'am, I have no idea.
Okay. ठीक है.
Okay, Divesh, you have assisted in statutory audit of National Health Mission as well. So, what is the purpose of National Health Mission?
So National Health Mission, it falls under the Ministry of Health, and it is not a. It is just a scheme that is implemented by the central government to every states. For example, I have done the audit, statutory audit of National Health Mission Gujarat, but it is not only in Gujarat. It is in every state. For example, National Health Mission of Rajasthan, National Health Mission of any other states.
Okay.
Designation or salary package? Choose.
Ma'am, actually both are important.
You have to choose one. After working for a year, waiting for a promotion, a designation or a salary package? What is more important?
Ma'am, as I've told you that both are important, but if have given me option to choose one, then first I'll think that what are my priorities, and the second thing that I'll focus upon is that what are the venues that will be open while taking that designation. So I'll consider these two factors before deciding anything.
Okay, thank you very much, Divesh. चलिए फीडबैक पार्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं आपके. तो CV वाइज ठीक है, आपने अचीवमेंट्स और को करिकुलर काफ़ी लिख रखा है. एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर करा है आपने, इसको को करिकुलर भी कर सकते हैं. एंड आपने भी वही फ्लेक्सिबल मेंशन कर रखा है, फ्लेक्सिबल विद टाइमिंग. यहाँ पे दो, एक गोल ओरिएंटेड.
तो अडेप्टेबल को जोड़ना चाह रहा था मैं इससे.
Do शीर्षासन. Flexible. Come on, do शीर्षासन.
Sorry.
I want to see belly dance on your toes.
Sorry मैम. Actually मैं इसको थोड़ा अडेप्टेबल से ऐसा जो होता ना.
These words don't make sense. They can be spoken, but need not write them. Okay? Don't mention it.
एडेप्टेबल तो आपने नेक्स्ट में लिखा ही है ना.
हाँ, लेकिन कोई पूछता तो मतलब उस हिसाब से रेफरेंस. हाँ सर, थोड़ा मिस्टेक हो गया इसमें.
Rubber band हूँ मैं. Flexible.
और गुड लर्नर हो या कीन लर्नर हो, क्या हो आप? क्या हो?
कीन लर्नर नहीं होगा बेटर ऑप्शन.
तो
And eye contact, sir. Eye contact सर आपके साथ में था. He doesn't like us at all.
ये जो सामने बैठा होता है
यहाँ पर आप ही सिलेक्ट करने वाले में जो हम लोग सिर्फ मोहर लगाते हैं आपकी.
हार्ट बीट से ऊपर नीचे हो रही थी, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या चल रहा है.
ये फोटो जो लगाई है,
ये भी appropriate.
I thought it is वो हीरो कौन सा है?
मॉडलिंग के लिए देते हैं ना.
नहीं, वो लम्हा जिंदगी में कौन सा था? वो एक हीरो उसका फोटो लग रहा था ये मुझे, एक सेकंड के लिए मुझे वही
तो इसमें आपका चेहरा प्रॉपर विजिबल ही नहीं है।
हाँ
ये प्रिंटिंग सही नहीं है, प्रिंटिंग जहाँ से
चेहरा
कराई।
बट
थोड़ा सा
हाँ जैसा फोटो है ना उसमें जैसे, तो उसका वो face तो
एक्चुअल में
visible
इसमें
नहीं
कलर कॉम्बिनेशन सोचना पड़ेगा, जैसे इन्होंने बैकग्राउंड में डार्क कलर दे दिया, फिर फोटो में भी
फेस
डार्क दे
थोड़ा
दिया।
सा बड़ा आना चाहिए, ये पूरा शरीर
Face was
इतना
too
तक आए तो
प्रोफेशनल फोटो हो तो ठीक है।
दिवेश
वैसे पिक्चर नेसेसरी नहीं होती है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
बट लगा भी नहीं उसको।
तो लगा रहे वो जो ऑफ कैंपस होते हैं ना उनमें फिर भी वो रोल रखती है। ऑन कैंपस में तो इतना ज़्यादा रूल भी नहीं, क्योंकि यू आर ऑलरेडी शॉर्ट लिस्टेड, सो उसमें कुछ फ़र्क ही नहीं पड़ता।
Pace was too fast.
क्लियर नहीं था।
नहीं, it was all clear, but there were no proper pauses as such. एक modulation होता है ना, answers were okay, good, I'm satisfied with your answers, but the problem was pace. You were pouring on to your answers. You were actually pouring them out.
बोलने में
Right.
ठहराव होना चाहिए धीरे-धीरे।
चाहे कितने भी correct answers हो, लेकिन modulation is important, right?
ओके, ऑल दी वेरी बेस्ट।
All the best.
थैंक यू, जो आप चाहते हो आपको मिले।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम।
ओके।